settings icon missing from the home screen of your iPhone. Now if the settings icon is missing from the home screen, you're not being able to locate anywhere, do not worry. Just be rest assured that settings app is a crucial part of the system application and it cannot be uninstalled. So you just have to make sure to get it back because it went away from your home screen. Now all you have to do is simply go to your app library. In the app library, you simply want to search for settings. Once you search for settings, you can see the settings app there, so you can say it is right there, but it just went missing from the home screen. To get it back, long press and basically drag and drop it back to your home screen. So you can just go ahead and then basically long press the settings app icon here, and we'll just go ahead and then bring this icon back to our home screen at the very top or wherever else we want. So let's say I want it on the other pages at the first, I can just bring it back to those pages right here. So just like that, I'll be able to get it back. Just keep in mind that it cannot go uninstalled. Now on the recent iOS 18 update though, iPhone will allow you to hide apps, so you might also want to try to check in the hidden folder by tapping on it, unlocking with your Face ID, and see if that actually helps you find the settings icon there. But to give you an idea, this is how you can fix if the settings icon went missing. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.